Welcome to HiDevs. Let's quickly show you how to participate in our Memory Over Models AI Hackathon. First, log into your HiDevs account. New users can sign up instantly using email or Google. Next, click Hackathon in the sidebar to open the event page. Before registering, complete your Hackathon profile. Add your LinkedIn, GitHub, resume, and your primary tech skills. Then, save your changes. Now, register for the hackathon with a single click. Once registered, the Members tab will appear. Browse the Members tab to find teammates with matching skills and connect with them on LinkedIn. When you're ready, open the Submit tab. Enter your project title. Choose a theme. Add your GitHub repository, demo link, and video link. Enable team submission if needed. Add teammates and submit your project. Success! Your submission is recorded. Good luck with the Memory Over Models Hackathon. Register now at hidevs.xyz/hackathon and start building AI systems